everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica and today I'm bringing back Project Polish on my channel. I missed doing it last year. I thought I'm just going to throw polishes throughout projects throughout the year and do it that way, and I found that I just wasn't as dedicated to my polishes as I normally would be if I was doing a project polish. So I'm doing it again this year. I'm actually filming this on the 2nd of January. This intro is not going to be going up probably until the second week of January, just because I have so many intros and like follow-ups for 2020. It's crazy. It is crazy. You guys know how I do. I got a lot going on in my life and on my channel and everything else. So I just wanted to, I want to start playing with some of these polishes. So I wanted to get this intro filmed since it technically it starts on the 1st of the year. As soon as I film this, I feel like I can play with all of this stuff, even though the intro video is not going up until like a week later. So I'm going to show you what I have in here. I am putting it all in the beginning, as opposed to like rolling stuff in. And yeah, I'm just going to, figure out what I feel like playing with, whichever day I happen to be polishing my nails. And I'm just going from there. And the ones that I have progress on or I finished, obviously I will update those. Probably won't even bother with the ones that I haven't worked on or, no visible progress. But yeah, I got a lot. I'm putting in 15 things. And one of them is a base top coat and one is just kind of like a strengthener filler, which I will use as a base coat. So I'm going to get those out of the way first because they're boring. They're really boring. You will notice a lot of very old polishes in here because, I haven't purchased anything for 3.5 years. So I got a lot of old stuff, and some of the stuff was old even then. So the first one is Sally Hansen Be Long. It is a strengthener and kind of like base coat combined. I am right here at this red. Obviously everything in here, I want it done. And this is the Revlon Double Twist. It is a base and top coat. Where is the lines? I'm at this little purple line right here. I did attempt to put this in a project towards the end of the year last year, the year that shall not be mentioned, and I just didn't do so well with that one. It's the story of my life. The next one is Revlon Cream. It's called Cherries in the Snow, and I am at this bottom line. This was in a project polish, I want to say like 2, maybe 3 years ago. I can't remember exactly. I know it's been at least 2 years, and I would like to get that one finished up. It is very pretty. It's definitely a cooler red. And why am I not showing you the swatch of it? Because I suck. I did not top coat any of these, but that is Revlon Cherries in the Snow. Let's move on to another one that was in a project last year. I love this color and I cannot wait to wear it again. This is the P2 Volume Gloss in Old Maid. And you can see I don't have a ton left. I'm down here at this line, but I would like to get that one finished up. Here is my swatch on that one. Let's see, what do we have next? This one has been in a project too. I want to say this was 2 to 3 years ago. This one is one of my newer polishes. It is the Kiss Gel Strong in Pistachio, and you can see this dark green line right here. That is where I'm starting. So it's not completely full, but it's got a lot of product in it, where some of the other ones have a lot less in them. And let's see, this is Pistachio. I really like that color, and it wears well, so it's always a bonus. Yet another one that was in a project polish 2 to 3 years ago. This is the e.l.f. nail polish in Lilac. It is so stinking pretty, and again, this one wears well. I'm at this gold line right here. That is where I left off last time it was in a project polish. I have not used it at all. And this is Lilac swatched out. Next we have, I'm missing a polish. I have one that I put on here, and apparently I did not pull it out. I'm going to have to figure out what I did with that polish because it is not right in front of me, and I don't know what I did with it. I've got a whole box of makeup here that I thought I had all my polishes in. Apparently I was wrong. So maybe I have more than. I will skip that one. I've got another Revlon. This one is called Sunflash. This is like a sheer topper with like micro gold glitters in it, and I'm right here. I'm gonna enjoy the heck out of this one. You guys know I love my glitter, obviously, and I like my toppers, and you know, I'm gonna play. Girls gotta play with some glitters. Let's see, this is the swatch of that. It is super sheer, and I think that is 2 coats on that one. Next up, we have a Nina polish, and this one is in Canary. Can't imagine why it's called Canary. It's not at all bright yellow. And right here, just over the halfway point is where I'm starting on that one. Let me get you the swatch of this. That is Canary. Moving on to one that is kind of on the fuller side. This is a really old Revlon Streetwear in Chilling. I love this shade. So I'm well over halfway. I would call that, what, 2/3-ish, kind of. This has silver micro glitters in it. I don't know if that's conveying on the screen or not, but let me show you that color swatched out. It is really very pretty. Next up, we have a little Sinful polish. It's a little tiny guy right here, and I am starting right here at this red line. This one is probably going to get a lot of use on days when I just feel like I need almost like a clean palette and want to go with like a neutral shade. So that is that one. Next up is Thimbleberry. It's also a little Sinful. This has been used once or twice, not enough to make a line, but yeah, it is a really pretty color, because sometimes you want that deep color. And I believe this one is 2 coats on that one. It's like Dr. Pepper colored. I don't know what else to call it. It's like a deep berry, I guess. I don't drink Dr. Pepper, but you know how that goes. This next one I don't have a swatch for. This is just a striping polish from Avon, and you can see I'm here at this bottom line. Hopefully I can get that done. I've had it forever, and it needs to go. I have 2 toppers here. Actually, I have 3 toppers. One is not swatched just because it's not going to swatch well. This is Formidable by Wet n Wild, and that is not what I have on my nails. I actually have 2 other polishes layered on my nails now, but this one's pretty full. You can see I'm right up here with that one. Not worried about full polishes when it comes to my toppers. I will wear toppers by themselves. I will wear them over things. It doesn't matter. I love my shimmery, glittery things. And this is the swatch of that one. I believe that is 2 coats on that one as well. That could have gone really well with this. Next is Essence Effect Nail Polish in Icy Fairy. Nice big glitters. Harder to get off, but they are very pretty. And you can see I'm starting here at this red line. And then I have, this one needs to really be mixed up, but this is the I&M Out the Door in Northern Lights. This is so hard to find, and like part of me doesn't want to use this up, but it's so pretty. I don't know if you can see like the hollow glitters there in the bottom. When you shake it up and it disperses throughout the top coat, it's not like as obvious. It's just one of those where you put it on top of a polish, and it just gives it a little something extra without being in your face like a typical glittery top coat. I don't know how to explain it. If you guys have ever seen this, you would know. I don't know if it's going to pick up in the camera or not. Probably not, but it's so micro fine glitters that are hollow, and I've had this for a while. Actually, when I lived in Las Vegas, that's when I got it. That's where I got my nail license, and I have not found it locally at all. I'm on the East Coast now, so you know, I'm sure it's out there, but it's hard to find. It's really hard to find. I've looked online and it's difficult. So I've been hoarding that, but why? I should just use it. I enjoy it. I should just use it, right? So I'm going to. Oh, I forgot to show you the swatch of Icy Fairy, the big glitters. I went from big glitters to little glitters. Now I'm going to look in this box to see if I can find that other shade real quick, but maybe I put it away. Maybe I decided not to bring it in after all. I don't remember. Oh, you know what? I threw it in my drawer yesterday or the day before. Hold on one second, because I am pretty daggone sure I threw it down in the bottom here. Where is it? There it is. There it is. This one's an old one, and I might regret putting it in, but I kind of want to play with it at the same time. This is really, really stinking old. This is from Victoria's Secret. This one is, I believe it's called Purple Rain. Yes, it is. Purple Rain, not like R-A-I-N, but rain, like R-E-I-G-N. Yeah, R-E-I-G-N. Spelling is not my thing right at the moment. I'm so tired. I am at this gold line right here, and I do actually have the swatch. I might have put it away because I am working on another purple right now that is, it's not the same, but it is similar. I'm going to show you everything else that I'm still working on that's a rollover from last year, which is a lot. It's a lot of stuff. So let me show you my color wheel here, color swatches. I have the sticks because, well, you know, I got to be different. So those are the colors that I'm going to be working on this year, in addition to what I already have going on with my other projects as I'm throwing things. So what I have on my nails right now is Clean Color Nail Lacquer in Holiday Jingle mixed with the Del Sol Ruby Slippers. I basically just layered it. I put the green, the yellow, or like the yellow gold, green, yellow gold. So I have, you know, alternating layers. So I have 4 layers of glitter on my nails, which is going to be a pain in the butt to take off. But, you know, it's shimmery and it's pretty, and, you know, I like my sparkles. I also have Topaz Chic from Sinful Colors that I'm working on. This one is just a usage. So that's not going to be staying in the whole time. Neither is the green, but I will probably use like 2/3 of this bottle by the time I hit my usage because it's a glitter. This is the purple, it's a Franken purple that I'm working on, and that's probably why I put this one away. But I might even be able to work on these things together. I don't know. We'll have to see. I might be able to, you know, do some accent nails and make it work that way. I also have another red. This is Revlon's Raven Red. So I actually have that on my toes right now. I have the Colorworks, which is just like from a little cheapy gift set that I got years ago. It's just a pink, which I really like. It is a nice sheer color. And then the Essence Effect Nail Polish in Pixie Dust. I really like that one a whole lot as well. So I am working on a ton. An absolute ton of polish. I kind of want to finish everything that I showed you in the very beginning that is actually in this specific project. If I don't finish the purple, I'm not going to be upset about that, since that was kind of like a last minute, should I, shouldn't I? But all of the others, the other 15, I really want to get done. So we shall see. We shall see. I'm not sure how I'm going to attack this. I might just play for the first month, see how it goes, see what I'm drawn to, and then after that, I will probably pick specific polishes and really work hard on those. I can't wear the same color day after day after day. If I have, like, this will not chip for a few days, and I will probably keep this on until it starts to chip or, like, just not look as good. And I couldn't put this right back on my nails. I have to do something completely different. So I probably will pick like a focus shade or 2, and then like every other I will kind of flit around and do this, that, and everything else. So I'm going to save that for February. I'm just going to play. I'm going to have some fun for January, see what I'm gravitating towards, and then go from there. If you're doing project polish, let me know. I want to come check it out because I'm a nail girl. I love nail polishes. I love nail art and stuff like that. Even though I don't have time to do the nail art and everything for myself, I love it. I'm interested in it, which is why, you know, I watch so many nail videos. So if you're doing this project, let me know down there. I will come check you out. If it's on Instagram, YouTube, whatever, just let me know. All right, I'm going to wrap this up. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.